I'm going to do a sound test of the 4 different trackballs that I have. Of these 4, personally I like the roller just a little bit more because it is quieter. The other thing is that among the BTUs, I'm really liking the smaller 7.5mm one. This one just because A, the profile is smaller, you can fit this into a keyboard much more easily, but also it sounds a little less grainy. And comparing that again, for some reason, just the bigger size, it feels a little more cheap to me. I think just because the sound quality is not as great. So that's my opinion. I've yet to try oil on any of the BTUs, so maybe I'll try that and see how that goes.